Hey guys, it's Paul. Just going to teach you the chord progression for Freebird. The first chord is G, which is second, first, open, open, 3 and 3. Second is a D, but instead of the F sharp on the high E string, it's on the low E string. And then it goes E minor. And then you get that tricky F power chord, which is bar on first, then C, D. So it sounds like this all together. That part goes. Then you can go into the And then those power chords before the solo is a G power chord. Then you go to the that's a B flat power chord. So then you're at the C power chord, or you could go this, I guess, if you wanted. The way I do it is Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you learned something, and play it for your friends, because they like Freebird.